Good evening, students. Today we discuss a lesson of computer, and it is chapter number 6, Programming in Q Basic. Now all of you open your book and you see your book, page number 64. Programming in Q Basic. Okay, so first we see introduction to Q Basic. So Q Basic, quick beginners, all-purpose symbolic instruction code, is a descendant of the basic beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code. The original basic language was invented in 1964 by John George Kamoni and Thomas Eugene Kurtz at Dartmouth College, USA. BASIC was designed to allow students to write programs. So, all of you know that a computer works as per the instruction given to it, and it cannot work on its own. So in order to give instruction to the computer, we need a language to communicate with it. So over the years, many computer languages have been developed, and BASIC is one of such high-level programming language that is easy to learn and perfectly suitable for beginners. And it stands for Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, and it was developed by John G. Kamoni and Thomas E. Kurtz in 1964. We next to see the Q Basic was developed by the Microsoft Corporations to use alone Microsoft DOS operating system. So Microsoft DOS full form is M means micro, S means soft, D means disk, O means operating, S means system. So Microsoft DOS operating system. So Microsoft DOS operating system was the first popular operating system for the IBM PC. It employs a command line interface, and it was loosely based on Microsoft GW Basic, Graphic Workstation Basic, and it was developed by Microsoft, and it did have a large number of graphics commands and allow enough flexibility to write simple games, business programs, etc. And Microsoft released the first version of Quick Basic on August 18, 1985, and stored on a single 5.25 floppy disk. So Quick Basic comes with a different integrated development environment, and short form is IDE. So IDE is a computer software consisting of text editor, a compiler, interpreter, or both usually a debugger. So line numbers were no longer needed since user could directly insert or remove lines via an on-screen text editor. A replacement of GW Basic based on Quick Basic 4.5 was included with MS-DOS 5 in later version. So Quick Basic was developed by Microsoft Corporations, and Microsoft was the first popular operating system from the IBM PC. And the popular versions of BASIC are GW Basic, Q Basic and Visual Basic, and they have similar commands and processes. So we will study about Q Basic, which stand for Quick Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, and it has an integrated development environment. Short form is IDE. The interface has various functionalities for compiling and executing the code, and the programs written in this IDE are stored in the computer memory, and then they executed after the complete compilations. So this mode is referred to as the program mode. Okay, so next we see about page number 65. So Q Basic is designed for small programs and quick result. It has one outstanding feature for beginners, and each program line is checked for syntax. After you leave the line with enter or the up or down arrow key. If the line is okay, it puts into a standard format with all the mathematical operators such as plus and minus, and have space on each side, and all Q Basic commands and other keywords are capitalized. So we have to see the different type of advantages of Q Basic. Okay, now we discuss only 6 advantages of Q Basic. The first one is Q Basic is easy to learn and do practical. Second one is it is available almost in every computer from micro to mainframe. Third point is it is suitable for mathematical and business applications. Number 4, program development cycle is quick and very simple. Number 5, the modification of a program is quite very easy. And last one is all basic commands and other keywords are capitalized. Okay, so these are the different type of advantages of Q Basic. Now we discuss how to start Q Basic and different type of component of Q Basic window. So how to start Q Basic window? To start Q Basic, you right click on the qbasic.extension icons. Then from the context menu, you can click on open. Next click on OK and clear the parameter dialog box. So Q Basic window will now open and welcome dialog box appear. Then you can start and press accept key. Okay, now I tell me the steps how to start Q Basic. Okay, first we can write 4 points to start a Q Basic. The first one is you can first right click on the qbasic.exe icons. Okay, next you can click on open from the context menu. Okay, after that you can click on OK button. After clear the dialog box, Q Basic window will now open with a welcome dialog box. When Q Basic start, you can press accept key to hide the welcome screen and you can see the Q Basic window. And this is the step to start a Quick Basic window very easily. If you can Quick Basic window, you can see the different type of component. You can see title bar, menu bar, program name, status bar, current row number and current column number. Okay, so now we discuss the different type of component of Q Basic window. The first one is menu bar. So menu bar, it provide various menu options to run the commands. So menu bar contains several menu items like file, edit, view, search, run, and different type of options. Next you see program name. So it below the menu bar it to show the name of the current program. So program name component show the name of the current program. Next you see status bar, and it appear the bottom of the window. Status bar appear the bottom of the window, and it display the functional keys to use commands. The status bar displays the current status of the program and the list of the functions key used for executing the certain commands. The current row and column name on which the cursor is positional to also display the status bar. In case we can write any error in the interpreter, display the error and then stop the program. After error, the remover is it can remove and program execution is started again. Okay, next you see number 4, current column number or current row number. Okay, so it show the position of the cursor on the right hand side of the status bar. Next you see about current column number. It show the position of the column on the right side of the status bar. So how many components we now learn? We can learn 5 components. First one is menu bar, number 2 program name, number 3 status bar, number 4 current row number, and number 5 current column number. Okay, so today we complete our class. Next class we discuss another topic. Thank you.